Hey guys, I'm Lindsay from Redhead Baby Mama. Today I'm going to unbox the cariPro toothbrush from Smile Brilliant and give it a little review. Got a little Smile Fearlessly card from Smile Brilliant. And they have sent me a cariPro Ultrasonic electric toothbrush, which is pretty neat because I'm a fan of an electric toothbrush. It makes me feel like my teeth are cleaner, especially when I had braces. This was a godsend. So it's got DuPont bristles, which is kind of neat. My grandmother helped make DuPont fibers when she was working. Waterproof, 5 brush modes: clean, white, massage, gum care, and sensitive. So that's gonna be really great depending on what I've got going on. 30-day charge, that means I can take this traveling, really important. The box includes 1 cariPro toothbrush, induction charging base, 2 brush heads, and 1 manual. So I can get a long clean out of just one little box here. Manual. So let's get this thing set up, shall we? So to turn the toothbrush on, you got a nice little easy power button. And to change the mode, you'll hit down and cycle through everything. In my experience, this toothbrush really compares with like the Sonic toothbrushes. It's not so much the rotating bristle head like an Oral-B might be, but I really kind of liked it. It was different. I like the clean mode the best. And the massage mode was kind of neat for when I had something stuck in like the back of my teeth. Really, really helpful. So let's give it a go, shall we? So some of you may wonder, now that I don't have braces anymore, does an electric toothbrush still for me? I think yes. I'm a coffee lover, so of course I've got all of those residue and stains to deal with, but even though my braces are gone, I still have retainers to deal with. I have Disney-inspired retainers that my orthodontist made for me, and as you may know, retainers require a little bit of extra care in terms of cleaning. I sleep in mine, so I've got them in at least 12 hours a day or 8 hours a day, depending on what my afternoon looks like. And an ultrasonic toothbrush is very, very helpful at getting them to come clean. So let's talk pricing. The cariPro Ultrasonic toothbrush set with the 2 brush heads, just like the one you see here, goes for $119, which kind of makes a nice little Christmas present if you have someone that really cares about their teeth or has just gotten a really old electric toothbrush and wants to update their set. Using this toothbrush is very, very smooth. It glides really easily. You don't feel any jostling with any rotation. It is super smooth, super light, and the fact that it has different modes is really just helpful. It cuts down on your brushing time and gets you the same results. To win your very own cariPro toothbrush set, just like the one you've seen here, don't forget to enter the link in the description below. Happy brushing, and don't forget to smile fearlessly.